don't finish. I'm finished. I want to go.
Freddy's on the beat.
So hina noni Duraba food No Amen anyhow what's your problem? What's your problem?
May have time no. You don't see. I'm removing my clothes and.
You are drying your clothes.
Yes.
You are drying your clothes. So don't you know that I'm here? Why are you doing that? Huh? So it's just a simple dress that you are drying. You've been here for get it 15 minutes. Why? Why are you doing this?
I'm not finished now. I'm finished. I want to go.
If you finish, you will go.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. But the thing is, you don't have to do this. You should have finished and gone a long time.
Oh, I don't finish. I'm finished. I want to go. You come.
No. I haven't called you.
You don't know I like you.
Like how? Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. What are you trying to do?
Why are you shouting like that?
I have to shout because what you are doing here, I don't like it. I don't know why you are doing it.
Oh, me, I like you.
You like me?
I like you very well.
Yes, I know. We are in the same compound, so you're supposed to like me.
You don't like this?
Oh, my goodness. So that is what you mean?
You don't like it?
So this is what you mean?
Yeah, man, and this. You don't like it?
Oh, please, madam, I hate what you're doing. Please, leave this place. I want to enjoy my environment. Leave this place. I don't like what you're doing. Leave this place.
No, leave this place.
Why?
I want to stand here because I like you.
You like me
Yes.
for what? Why you like me for what reason?
Hey, so you don't like me? See this nyash.
Madam,
You don't like it?
I'm afraid.
Oh.
This type of nyash is no big.
Come and stand in here. Come and stand
I
in
like
here.
small, medium nyash. Yours, you go kill me, oh.
I cannot kill you.
Yours, you go kill me.
I want to massage you.
Hey!
And front, back, and left and right. Left. You don't like it?
Hey!
Come.
Do you want to
Massage
you want to do me shakala? Ce n'est pas un masoué. Un masou.
Na benya pa se oba hofefo ka che se oyada o opeso no eye bibia no opeso no twempene na se o twetwo
I am se muniani munya hu die
ene pa
so you come on.
anya ne kama wo ya asem na me ka me ntimi
dabi woni ye afua to ani awonya brant o gina o no oba se ono akasa de ne pa ba so oyada o
Anam si
opeso no tena opeso no na o twetwo
me ntimi me bre me am me be metia ti
abi na ho sa anya me na me dabi tie
me be metia
asa guy no no ansa ne ho pa sa me yada o me pawo me pesa me de mo zo ma na wo twetwo
me ka se ma ansa na dasani so aduane
Now you talking.
en koma nwura mu adoma no na fidie da ho ana se di boni wo
dabi de so de woni ma de papa
wode bele me no de say wanyi ma me
dabi
I'm not pregnant too.
Man, can say you are flexible.
Like me, I'm going.
I'm afraid.
Ah, okay. Then bye bye.
You also bye bye. The empty say, boy, here boy. Me. Huh? You two like me. Hey, what is happening unto me? Every lady in the house love me, like me. Are you sure? So what of the other guy you are working with? I don't like him.
This is my brother.
Your brother?
Yes.
Let's go inside.
Hey, Sadia. Because this, no, you don't love me. I want to call you the husband.
Huh?
She's married you.
Pardon?
Hey!